While I was researching and doing immersion for Sunshine, di ko talaga alam yung mga ganyang statistics
Mhm.
that there are there are three Filipino women who die every day, three women who die every day from complications brought by abortion. And there a lot of them, our youngest ever to give birth in the Philippines was 9 years old, and it was she was also a victim of incest. And
Mhm.
before, it was just like a concept to me, the that kind of a world. Pero habang nagre-research ako at nakausap ko na talaga sila, pinuntahan ko talaga sila, parang realidad siya, hindi lang siya kwento, hindi lang siya something na nababasa ko sa
Mm.
internet, hindi lang
Mm.
sila parte ng news na binabalita, mga totoong tao sila na hindi lang kailangang ikwento, kailangan siya talagang maparating sa mga tao, kasi Sunshine may just be a fictional character, pero siya yung suma total ng lahat ng mga
Mhm.
bagets talaga yung mga na-interview ko, eh.
Mm.
19
Mm.
years old and below, na
Mhm.
grabe yung pinagdaanan. At yun, kaya kaya ganun yung sinabi ko, we always hear the saying na it takes a village to raise a child. And I guess in Sunshine, I wanted to show and ask the question, have we been doing a good job being that village raising the child
Mhm.
who
Mm.
is Sunshine?